Hello, I'm Brett Riggins. I'm a practicing real estate investor. I'm not a physician. I'm the co-founder of Physician Wealth Systems. I'm glad that you're here and I want to welcome you to the community. And I've spent the last 15 years of my life dedicated to real estate. I've bought and sold more than $20 million of real estate. I've built a 7-figure nationwide virtual real estate acquisition machine, which means I can work anywhere in the world. You may even hear my children laugh. I'm always at home now. I've also built my very own 7-figure passive income real estate portfolio as well. Now we are dedicated to compress all of this experience, all of this knowledge, along with personal finance and investing information, and give it to you via a podcast, a book, Instagram, webinars, masterminds, and this YouTube channel. You know, you're probably a lot like me. You are well educated, reasonably intelligent, and you're already making a 6-figure income, or you soon will be. The problem is, nobody's even taught you about mindset or money. But before we get there, let me rewind just a little bit. I started with nothing. No time, no money, no training. You know, through the years, we've built something amazing. We've built amazing teams, systems, and processes. Also, along the way, I've worked with a lot of physicians, and I cannot count how many times I've heard the question, "Hey Brett, how can we get the deals you're getting?" Or, "Hey Brett, how can I get equity in these deals?" Well, the answer is, hit the subscribe button. Physicians have been there for me and my family in the most important times of our lives. Now, I want to make sure I do everything possible so that you can stay there providing that critical care and those critical skills in the times when they're needed most. Ultimately, I would love to work with you, finding, acquiring, renovating, and managing your real estate portfolio. But until then, I want to give you everything you need to get there faster and safer for free. Thank you for your time, and I really look forward to meeting you.